Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for August 29th, 2011. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Looking forward to coming back into some trading. Should have some good volatility again today. We're taking a look here at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see we're gapping up here into this resistance level. Now these are resistance lines that we had from Friday's reports. You can also see here these previous highs of 119 and 119.40. Kind of pushing into that. Going to look for breakout over 120. Possibly could see 121 area. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So here we're looking at the daily chart. We're going to have some resistance here right around this 120.85 area. So let's put a line right there, resistance line. And then 121, probably about 121.25 right there. So those are areas we're going to watch. We're going to see if we can push over this, 119.50 from the open today. Come up into this area here. Probably going to find some pretty strong resistance through this area. If we break out, we could get a nice run. Next resistance is going to be right around 122. So just something to watch for. Now we also have some support here at 118. So watch there. Maybe some more support here at 117 or just over 117, about 117.50. And then down here about 116. Just under 116 right there. So if we do get some selling, watch for support levels right here. We break through that. Continue to stay with your shorts. Come down into here. Possibly going to see a bounce at 117. You're also going to have this trend line coming up off this bottom. So be flexible. I'm going to stay balanced with both longs and shorts. I do think we're going to probably have more of a long run today up into the overhead resistance around 121 to 122 area. But we could get a reversal also late in the day. Make sure you want to switch gears and close those long positions and then start looking for more shorts. So let's go ahead and get into today's trades. So first we have CF. You can see here moved up into this resistance level right about here, 180.45. We're going to look actually to take this long over 181.25. So watch it for a break right about here, 181.25. First profit target is going to be 183. So come into 183, take some off, about half off your trade. Move up your stop to break even, and the next target's going to be 184.85, so just under 185, right about there. And then I would leave a small piece to see if you can push through 185. Could get up into 190 if we have a strong day. I would just try to trail a stop on the last piece just for that 190 area. Probably going to find some resistance at 190 if we don't find it a little bit sooner. So I think a trailing stop is going to work well on that last piece. Next we have DLTR. You can see this strong move up we had just over resistance level in this consolidation. We're having a breakout here. We're going to look for a continuation day up. We have a resistance here about 70.65. We're going to want to take this long over 70.87. So right about there, take it long. Look for strong volume on that break. First profit target is going to be at 71.55. Second profit target is going to be 72.25, and then leave a small piece for 73, possibly 74. I would just trail a stop over this second target, see if it can trend up with higher highs and higher lows. Now we're looking at OCN. You can see this resistance level here about 1339, 1340 area. So we're going to want to take this long over 1344. First profit target is going to be 1358. So take off half off about 1358. Second profit target is going to be about 1372, and then you can keep a piece to see even come into 1380. Probably going to hit some resistance here around the $14 area, so watch it right about there. Next we have NGD. This was actually from a previous report on this breakout over 13. You can see we had a nice move up into this 1350 area. We're going to look for a continuation day over the resistance level. You have resistance here about 1355. 1354 area. We're going to take this long over 1357. So right there, look for a move above that area. Take it long. First profit target is going to be at 1370. So right there, take some off, probably half off your position. Move up your stop to break even. Next profit target is going to be 1383. Right there. And then you can leave a small piece of your trade, maybe a quarter or less, to go into 14. Probably going to find some pretty good resistance at 14. So now we're going to go ahead and look at our short trades. First we have UBS. You can see here a couple times we tested this support right around 13. I think we're going to have some solid support at 13. I'm going to look for, let me take this line off here, look for about 13 right there. I know we're a little bit off that bottom support level, but look for some selling and a breakdown. It might not happen in today's session. I would set an alert at about 1308 to 1310. Let you know that when we get close to 13, you're going to want to look for a short below 13. Our entry is going to be under 1294, so look for an entry there. First profit target is going to be at 1282. Second profit target is going to be at 1270. So right about there, 1270. You can leave a small piece open, see if it'll come down into 1250. Probably going to find some support somewhere in this area and have a bounce. I won't be looking for this on the long side. I'm going to stay short if we do get a break below 13. Now we're looking at NIHD. You can see made the new low here on Friday's session. So we're going to look for some selling and a break below that low support level. We're going to take this short below 34.39. So right about there. First profit target is going to be 34.05. So just over 34. Take about half off. Move down your stop to break even. Second profit target is going to be 33.72 right there. And then I would trail a stop on my last small piece of that trade. See if it come down into 33. Probably going to find some support there at 33. Now we're looking at AFL. See the support level here at 34 approximately. I know we've been watching this on the report before. Still holding that support level. I still think this is going to be good for a break below for targets. We're going to look to take this short under 34.25. So wait for it to break about right there, 34.25. First profit target is going to be 33.91. Second profit target is going to be 33.57. And then I would trail a stop on the last small piece, even come down into 33. And finally, we have DNR. Support level here is right around 1380. Been in this consolidation range, right in this area between 1475 and 1380. So right around this $1 range. Looking pretty weak against the rally in the market. We're going to look for a break below support here. Going to take this short under 1374. First profit target is going to be at 1361. Second profit target is going to be at 1348. Now you can decide if you want to keep a little bit open, trail a stop down if it could trend down into close to 13. I think that's a kind of a reach. Probably going to find some support here around 1330 to 1325. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.